Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to restore and enhance damaged photos with Remini. Alright, so if you want to restore damaged or torn photos with Remini, basically open your Remini application. So when you open your Remini application, make sure you're in the first section which says enhance over here. So sorry about that. When you're in the first section which says enhance over here, what you want to do is to come and select a photo that you want to enhance, the one which is damaged or torn. Alright, so I'll quickly look for a photo which is damaged or torn that I'm going to be enhancing from this section. So a lively example of such a photo would be this one here. Alright, so I'll tap on it. It's damaged, it's torn, as you can look at it. So I'm going to repair it and enhance it or restore it, and you're gonna see it. So what I'm going to do is tap on enhance button there. So when you tap on the enhance button, you wait for it to load. So it's uploading image, so you need to be patient. So right now it's reconstructing, then it will add more pixels. Then after adding more pixels, you're good to go, guys. I think you can see the difference now. When I scroll this side, you can see how it looks like, and when I scroll this side, you see how it was looking like. So we have restored this damaged and torn photo using Remini AI. Alright, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.